Alright, let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever sat down at your desk, opened your MacBook, and felt like the screen was almost good enough, but never quite there? That's exactly the moment that made the BenQ MA270UP click for me. This is made for the kind of person who notices color shifts, uneven brightness, and that subtle eye fatigue that creeps in after long sessions. You care about how things look because your work, your taste, and your standards demand it. You're not chasing flashy specs anymore, you're chasing correctness. Before we go further, take a second to check the current price and availability. Displays like this tend to move in and out of stock in ways that make waiting feel unnecessary later. There's always that realization moment. For me, it was when I kept adjusting settings on my old monitor, trying to make it feel Mac-like. Nothing was broken, but nothing felt right either. You reach a point where you know you're compensating instead of creating, and that's when the upgrade becomes obvious. The relief after switching is immediate. The colors finally look the way you expect them to. Whites stop feeling cold or muddy. Everything settles into place, and your eyes relax without you even thinking about it. You stop fighting your display and start trusting it. In real use, this becomes part of your workflow instead of a distraction. Editing photos feels natural again. Video timelines look consistent from frame to frame. Writing, coding, or deep focus work stretches longer because your eyes aren't constantly readjusting. Even casual browsing and binge watching feel more refined, like your Mac finally has the screen it deserves. What really stands out isn't just sharpness, it's harmony. Once you experience a monitor that truly feels matched to your Mac, going back to generic displays feels wrong. Everything responds the way you expect, from brightness changes to volume adjustments, without breaking your flow. Quick reminder here, don't wait around for random price swings or limited stock surprises. If you already feel that pull, it usually means you've waited long enough. You might be wondering if it's worth it when other monitors look similar on paper. That's the trap. This isn't about raw numbers, it's about integration. The strength here is how seamlessly it fits into your daily routine, removing tiny frustrations you didn't realize were draining your focus. One unexpected benefit is how clean your setup becomes. Fewer cables. Less clutter. One connection that just works. That simplicity quietly changes how your desk feels and how professional your workspace looks. Owning a display like this gives you a subtle confidence. You don't second-guess what you're seeing. You don't worry about accuracy. You just work, create, and enjoy the process, knowing your setup reflects your standards. Colors feel honest and balanced. Your eyes stay comfortable longer. Your desk feels intentionally designed. Your Mac finally feels complete. Your workflow stays uninterrupted. It's not a gaming-first monitor, and it's not the cheapest screen you'll find, but those concerns fade once you experience how right everything feels day after day. At some point, you stop comparing and start choosing. You realize you've been circling the same decision because you already know what fits your life. Don't let this become one of those upgrades you keep postponing while settling every single day. Check the current price, see if it's available, and trust your instincts. When you're ready to stop compromising and start enjoying your Mac the way it was meant to be used, this is the monitor that makes that decision feel effortless.